Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm going to do a flip through of my Bible, all of my Bible journaling, using the Momentum devotionals. Now, Momentum is our digital membership that you can be a part of, and if you are a part of that, you'll be able to do all of these immediately. So don't get overwhelmed. There's quite a bit here, but this is just the devotional side. There are also courses on technique and then also a ton of other files in Momentum. I just want to show you what I've done over the past few years. If you've been with us in Momentum since the start, I've been using the same Bible the whole time. This is my Journal the Word Bible. It's the NIV version, and you can see it's starting to get pretty thick. It's starting to flare out a little bit, but you can see all the times that we were in devotion doing our Bible journaling together, and each one of these tabs represents a day where we spent talking about the verse, reflecting on the verse, answering questions on the verse, writing the verse. So you can see there's a lot of love and a lot of time spent in the Word with Bible journaling in our program. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you some of my examples. I'll probably add some music to this, so if there's anything major that I need to show you, I will go ahead and talk about it, but otherwise I'll just remain quiet as the music plays and I flip through this Bible. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So there you have it. That is 30 courses in Momentum that have to do with different topics like understanding difficult trials in your life, understanding how God views you. Our latest one is called 2020 Vision, which is really understanding God's purpose and God's perfect vision in our lives and in this world. So yeah, that's 30 courses. Every course has 5-part devotions in there, so that's 150 devotions, 150 Bible journaling kits that you just saw here in this video. So hopefully that was fun for you. Again, if you're in Momentum, you don't have to do all of these. Just do the topic that calls to you. You can do the most recent topic. Again, that's 2020 vision, or you can go to past courses and see if there's one that appeals to you. Maybe you're going through a difficult time. You might want to try unmovable mountains. If you're having a hard time realizing how beautiful you are, then go to our course called You Are Beautiful. That's our first course. That is the one that explains to you how God sees you. There's so many different topics, so many different Bible journaling kits, so many different fun things inside of Momentum. And if there's any of these that you saw that you liked the most, put a comment below. I would love to see which one was your favorite. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside of Momentum and on our social media channels. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.